Welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. In the truck tonight, went to another location, but first, and that's for video for another another matter. But I just wanted to do a little shout out here that we are back. So I think in one of the upcoming videos I explain it a little bit more, but the channel's been a little bit stale here the past few weeks. It's been pretty hectic on the home front and the work front. We went from 2 people and a dog, two people and 2 dogs, to, well, 7 people and 2 dogs. A lot of stuff going on, and it's just been crazy the past month or so. But things are hopefully getting a little bit better, and we'll get this channel back on the road here. Finally had a day today where I was able to get some of the videos I did record edited, and they're transferring right now, and while I'm out here, and yeah, so we're back. Got some exciting videos coming up, at least exciting to me. Hopefully they're exciting to you as well. I was hoping they'd be a little bit more timely, but like I said, you know, life got in the way. And so I got a few attempts at getting Jupiter, Saturn, and the moon, some planetary imaging and lunar imaging done. Somewhat pleased with the end result I got, but I was kind of hoping to get those uploaded prior to Jupiter's opposition. Clearly that didn't happen, but they'll be coming up here in the next week or maybe 2, depending on how things pan out. Also have an update on my ASI 1600mm Pro and what's going on with that. And what we're doing now is I'm doing a multi-part set where I'm going through more step-by-step on the planning, execution, capturing, and editing for time-lapse photography. And because all the rage right now is Comet C 2020 F3 Neowise, and yeah, so all my planning said, hey, be out here tonight, and well, we'll see how it goes. So just wanted to do a little quick announcement that, yep, we're back. Got some stuff coming down the pipe here in the next few weeks as far as the channel's concerned. So we're back at it, and yeah. So I want to say thanks everybody for watching. Hope you're as excited as I am for what's coming up in the next couple weeks. And you know, life got in the way. So we're back, and we got more stuff coming. So we'll see how this goes. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please stay safe and healthy out there. As always, clear skies, and have a good one. Thanks for watching yet another episode from the Astro Imaging Journey channel. Really appreciate your viewership. In our upper right, we have the latest video that I have posted prior to this one. Down in the lower right, we have what YouTube thinks you will enjoy. Below is a subscription link. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, ring that bell if you want to get notified of something new, and as always, thank you, clear skies. Remember to